guys, welcome to my channel Solid Trades. Welcome to another episode of amazing day trading opportunities presented by the market every single day, where I talk about the opportunities that was provided today on a number of stocks. And the whole reason behind is to change your mind, or everybody's mind, is that every single day there's an opportunity, and every single day there is no need to lose money. 90% of the day traders lose money every single day, and it's stupid. And here I'm going to show you all you had to do was just have good risk management and find good setups. So let's get into it. I'm going to talk about this. And by the way, if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm going to be putting up this content every single week about the amazing day trading opportunities, okay, and the setups, how you can trade. So let's go here first, talk about NIO. NIO is a very famous stock. Okay, so all you have to do was just wait, and you see how choppy it is, and you wouldn't know. But if I just show you, simple, there was a nice trend line break here, okay, and there was a break. Once it breaks out, then it holds outside. Okay, so it came back and then immediately caught back up. So you can literally buy around here, and your stop is about here. So your stop would be, once it breaks out of this trend. So simply you buy simply right here, okay, and your stop, if it breaks, come back here, and look what happened. Amazing opportunity. Another one opportunity on NIO was this. So see how there was this tug of war between going buyers and sellers. Either it would have gone down or gone up. Okay, once it goes up, so now you know this is where it broke out, this area, so basically that means this was resistance. Now will become support. So it comes back down. Look where it came back down to, right here. So you can literally have your orders sitting right here. Okay, so what I do is I have order sitting like this. So I just look what I'm risking, about 50 cents, and then it will literally buy me here and immediately bought back up, and I'm instantly green, and I take profits along the way. Okay, another opportunity was this, the trend line break. The other opportunity was this trend line break here, okay, and then you can another trend line break here. Okay, so there's so many opportunities. Let's look up a smaller a price. I don't trade these low price stocks, but clearly the stock went up all the way, okay, and then it found support right here. You see how it finds support, and then on top of it, it made a nice triangle pattern. Okay, so once it breaks, you get in here, and your stop is the below support. So just 3 cents, you just buy right here, and then your stop is below. So you just small loss, and look at the reward. Okay. Another opportunity would be a break of trend line here. See how it broke the trend line, so you buy right here the break, and your stop is again here. Okay, and look, amazing opportunity. FUBO was actually part of our watch list today. I literally talked about that it's gonna most likely it's gonna bounce right here, here. So I talked about FUBO was the first in my watch list today. If you guys are not in the in my Discord, make sure you join. I'll just put the link down below. It's free right now, so just make sure you link them down below. And then here I literally said, hey, it's coming down, it's probably gonna bounce, and FUBO's trying to bounce today with 5 million volume. So here it is, it bounced, but now obviously you don't know what you do, so you wait for the first 15 minutes, and then once it breaks the trend line right here, so it broke nicely, so you don't chase. Most of the time the stock comes back down where it broke out from. So what I do is I just look at my risk, about 60 cents. So I simply right click, buy custom, and I look for 60 cents, and boom, it comes back down. It probably fills you up, and then boom, immediately you're up green. Okay, and then give another opportunity right here, the break of trend, and then another opportunity, the break of trend right here, and then another opportunity, the break of trend. So see how many opportunities there were. Amazing, so many opportunities, right? And then let's say that you buy here, so you get stopped out. But look how it immediately came back up. So another would be opportunity right here. So you take a small loss, but then you get back in here again, and then take profits along the way. Okay, then SPY, which is the market, clearly another trend line break here. Okay, so it was basically a double bottom. So it came down here, bounced, and then it came down again, and then bounced. So if it does a double bottom, it means it's most likely going to go up, and there's a little trend line break here, so you're going to literally get in here, and your stop would be this. Okay, all you need to know is understand and know these things in real time. So another really nice pattern forming here. You see this nice triangle pattern form, and you buy the break. Okay, let's look at Mara. So Mara is another Bitcoin stock, so it's really famous at the moment, so you cannot miss it. Anybody who's trading knows Mara. right? So simply stock goes up, you miss it, right? Which is okay. Then you just wait and look, see how it found support in mid-air. So if it found support in mid-air and then tried to break this trend, okay, so you see how it nicely broke out this, it made this channel and broke, so you enter here and you stop if it comes back down. That's it, okay? And then let's say you missed that, so the next thing would be you found another support, it broke the support, so you missed it, right? Let's say you missed it. Don't worry, don't chase on the top. Let it come back down to support and prove itself. Once it proves itself, you can either buy here, or once it breaks the trend, and you buy here, okay? And then look what happened. Tesla, another stock. This is, by the way, everything today. All they do is just catch one, okay? And you just literally buy here and boom, immediately. So basically just a trend line break, simple trend line break, okay? So forming this, and the reason why, by the way, this happened, let me just give you a little tip here. So what happens here is that the stock was actually going down. So it made a trend line on the opposite side, and see how it broke and then now start to go down. So everybody, you see how this big volume red candle here, and red candle, big volume. So it means it's gonna go down more. However, this is Tesla, so most likely people, as soon as the people see opportunity to buy, they buy it. I mean, it comes down a little bit. So all the people who got short immediately went back. So they all became red. Then once it broke out, they all got squeezed out, and that's what happened. So it's basically a squeeze. That's why it was a huge move. It's not people are buying; it's because people are just getting out market order. Let's look up RIOT. So RIOT here, boom. Similar setup, so made a nice trendline break pattern here or here, okay? So it's a nice breakout, so you buy here. Let's say you missed it, so you don't buy here on top because it happened really quick. So most likely comes back down the same area where it broke out from. Look, that's exactly where it broke out from. So what I do is I look up what's my risk. It's about 40 cents. So all I do is I right click, I buy custom. I already have my order set about 40 cents. So I click on it, it automatically knows put my stop right below 40 cents. And then, you know, it buys me when it comes down, it buys me right here, boom, starts to go up. Then you can just, you know, take profits. I just increase my, once I take some profit, I let the other ride, and, you know, it'd be amazing trade, right? FCX, similar pattern again, same thing happened. But notice how every time you have to wait. Nothing happens in the morning. Stocks settle down first, let them settle down, let them prove to yourself. You don't have to be the first one to know. The bigger moves come later during the day, most of the time, okay? Similarly happened with CGC. So what happens is CGC was this double bottom. So you see double top, 1, 2, this was resistance. But here it broke. You see huge volume came in. So that means this will become support. And that's exactly what happened. So you can literally buy at the bottom here, you can put your limits, or you can buy the trend line break. Simple. And that's it. Oh, I took a loss in JKS today. Okay, so right here, I took this trend line and I bought it here. It went up and it came down, and I got stopped out right here at the bottom. So I took a small loss here. It's showing green just because later I entered again when I saw another trend line break. Okay, was this? So I entered here, and now my stop loss was this, and it never stopped me out because this was my stop right below the support. Okay, it never stopped me out, and now it's gapping up, so I'm just a little bit up right now. And that's it. So I just wanted to show you and prove it to you that there's so many opportunities, and there's way more. I just showed you some. All you have to do is just take 1 or 2 trades, but just knowing the pattern and understanding support resistance. I'll put the link video down below or at the end where you can see how to know support resistance, the top chart patterns that I love trading. And if you want to join the chat, just sign up below. It's free right now, so make sure you log into our Discord, and I'll see you guys in the chat. All right.